Hi, we're Nikki and Billy, two 50-somethings who decided to jack it all in, get married and head off to southern Europe in our camper van. We're not sure if it's a great idea, but we're going to try it anyway. So if you want to follow us to see if there's any places we go to that might be of use to you, or any hints or tips that we pick up, just hit subscribe. It's completely free. And hopefully we'll catch some of you on the road. This week we stumble across a weekly party on the outskirts of Benidorm for locals. It's brilliant.
So, good evening.
Good evening.
Here we are again, cozied up in the van. What day are we on now?
49.50, I don't know.
Day after Boxing Day, so Friday.
Yeah.
Friday. So we're having leftover dinner. Not literally, we have cooked it all fresh, but used up the rest of the veg, haven't we, from our Christmas dinner, the beef. So yeah, we've got a pretty yummy roast dinner again, haven't we?
Yep.
So, what have we been up to?
What, today? We've been shopping to get your Christmas present.
Yesterday, what did we do yesterday?
Yesterday we went for a swim and it went a bit like this. Starting to build up the amount of people going in for a swim. There's Nikki and her cozzy. I have no idea why she's making me do this. It's going to be absolutely Baltic.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready? Come on, get in. Stop fannying about.
So yeah, Billy wasn't keen at all, were you?
No, it's Baltic.
But once we got there, you loved it. He had a great time, he got wrapped up in the atmosphere, and you did actually really enjoy the day, didn't you?
Enjoyed my mulled wine, so thanks to Helen and her husband, I think it is, that organised it for the Rotary Club somewhere in Britain. That was great.
And
So,
if we're around next year, we'll definitely do it again, won't we?
well, I can't, because anyway,
Well-
we can't talk about why I can't, but anyway, might not be able to go in next year.
But yeah, great fun. And if you're around this area for Boxing Day, get yourself down to Altea,
Yeah.
meet at the Anchor and join in the Boxing Day dip. It is fabulous fun, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's good fun.
So what did we do after that, darling?
Went for a drink at our favourite bar,
Yeah, Rubicon?
Rubicon.
Oh,
so
Rubicon?
La Rubicon, which you get a glass of wine, really nice de la Casa wine, and they give you a bit of tapas for each wine. So we had a few bits of tapas.
I think it's €2.60.
Yeah.
And you get a nice little tapa, don't you, with you?
Yeah. But if you're eating while you're drinking, you're not drinking.
I've said all along it makes drinking respectable, doesn't it? So we walked home, which is, what, a 4K walk?
It's about an hour, isn't it?
Yeah, Billy was busting for a wee.
Yeah. So we were passing El Rocco, and they've got a clubhouse. So I went in there to use the toilet, so I had to buy a glass of wine. And it turns out it's $1.50 a glass, so one glass turned into more than one glass. So we're a bit late back, so we didn't have this tea last night. We're having it tonight because we
had a lasagna from Lidl.
Yeah, bunged in. So that was last night, and then today we've been shopping for your Christmas present. One of your Christmas presents.
Yeah, I'm having 2 Christmas presents.
What's the second Christmas
A
present?
Hoover.
What kind of Hoover?
My choice.
Yeah, one of them shark things.
Yeah, shark.
Really strong Hoover.
Yeah.
Again, we need this for another reason, which we're not going to tell you about.
And
now.
I absolutely blooming need a good Hoover.
Yeah. Bloody cat won't leave us alone now.
Well, you fed it as well.
Well, can't not feed it, can I?
Just likes company.
He's on your chair. You're allergic to cats.
I'm in cricket. The van's a pigsty anyway.
Should never let him in. He won't listen. So where are we off to today?
I'm not saying it in case it don't happen.
What are we going to attempt to do?
Well, we're going to attempt to go to the Calder Rates.
And the Calder Rates is used by who?
Oh, all the top...
Go on.
The top biking teams.
Is your cat brushing against you trying to get in?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the top cycling teams in the world use it to go up and down to train, and they can mark their time to see.
And then look at us too.
And they'll all be in Lycra, and we're going to rock up like this. But the other thing is, Podgka, who won the Tour de France, was there yesterday riding it to try and break the King of the Mountain. So it'd be good if we go up there and take that King of the Mountain back off him, wouldn't it?
Thirsty.
For Britain. We're going to do it for Britain, honey. Let's go take the King of the Mountain off him.
A few moments later.
So is the Calder Rates record time safe then?
Yes.
So what's happened?
I had a padding.
So what we've done is we've bailed out before doing it. How many miles in were we?
13.
Yeah, it was just...
I had a paddy because the ride in was quite hard, and I just thought, got another 14k before we get to the top and another 6 before we start the climb.
Yeah. So we're now heading back to Altea to go back to Benidorm along this, what used to be a riverbed, I reckon. So, the bloody cat's back. This has now definitely adopted us for a while. And look what Loon's doing.
Why am I doing it?
Because you got big turkey giblets.
Yeah, because I'm not doing any exercise at all. I used to do 2 classes a week. I've done jack diddly squat while we've been away. So it's time to start doing something, innit? Otherwise I'll be a right fat unfitty.
I think I've lost weight though.
Well, I haven't. No.
Right. One of the things that I've discovered while being in Spain is a drink called a bonbon. And a bonbon is an espresso with condensed milk. And if you've got a sweet tooth like mine, it's a really nice drink. So the fact that we've got this outing that makes an espresso and I've got some condensed milk means that I might be able to hammer these now. So I'm going to make one now and see if it actually works. So we'll start by using the outing. Right, so that is the espresso made. That's the first part. So take that off. I now need to be able to add this in. So let's see if this will go in. Now in theory, this is heavier than the coffee. So this is how they get the layered picture, where it should go into the bottom and form a nice layer. Nice clear glass for this would work better. Yeah. So now what's left to do is to give it a stir. Yep, that's a cafe bonbon, or a bonbon coffee. That's lovely.
Right, we'll take you for a quick blast round Benisol. It's not a massive site. It's really neat, really tidy, really well facilitated. So we are actually pitched right opposite the services block, which we went ooh at first, but then we turned the van round and it's actually really, really ideal because you don't have to walk far to get to anything, so it's absolutely perfect. So I won't go in, but over there you've got the gent showers and you've also got the pot wash. So many sinks are hot, so many sinks are cold. access the showers, you need your green wristband. To access the toilets, you need your green wristband. To start the shower, you need your green wristband, but we'll go through that anyway. So this is the first campsite, apparently, coming over here. So, apparently this is the first campsite to have, oh, Billy! You could actually come over here and do your ironing.
Just finished ironing and we've just seen that.
You've just been ironing on the table, haven't you? So here we are. All it needs is a quick wipe, a soft cloth, and you've got a couple of plugs next to it. However, it looks like you have to use your chip. So, yeah, this is the first campsite, apparently, to have these eco washers. So you use no products, bang all your stuff in. There's a sink there for rinsing everything off. Use your wristband to activate it there. And I think it's 30 cents. 30 cents, come on, who wants to wash up? So here we have the most popular area on the whole campsite, the lavabo or the washing machines. So you've got 3 that work off your chip. You've got 2 that cost €4 each. There's a dryer at the end and there's a little washer there, €3 for any pet bedding. So domestic day for us. I'm going to go get our rugs and chair covers. Right, so as you know, little things please me, and this is the drying area, which is just round the corner from the laundry, so no need to waste a fortune on tumble dryers, and it smells better, doesn't it, when it's been online. Literally, laundry there, there's loads of washing lines, all in direct sunlight. Some campsites put them behind buildings and stuff, but this is absolutely perfect, loads of space. This is my second lot of washing today. So here we've got our little clubhouse, which is called Chiringuito. So it's open from, I think it's open from about 9 in the morning. Serves all your usual stuff, breakfast, snacks, drinks, sells fresh bread, outdoor area, which is always in the sun, indoor area, now flash, but it's decent, it's got everything you need. So here we've got a nice little outdoor pool area. Just move out the way so you can have a little look. Unfortunately, there is a little pool bar as well. Nice little kids, few things to keep the kids amused, like slides and stuff like that. And plenty of area for sunbathing. Obviously at this time of year it's shut. And there's just the indoor pool, which is just over there open. So it opens for an hour in the morning and then bizarrely opens from something like 6 while 12 at night. And Billy really, really wants to go for an early evening swim.
No, he doesn't.
Right, let's have a mooch down here. So down here we've got a massive barbecue area. I can't believe how many there is. There must be 10 altogether. Plenty of seating, lights, so you can all get together in groups. Yeah, I think this is an absolute cracking area, don't you?
Yeah.
I think did you think there's a games pitch at the other end of the site somewhere as well? Yeah, so I think we paid roughly, I can't think, 22, I'm going to say €23 a night at Christmas in Benidorm. It's just the right size for us, this site. It's not massive, it's just a really, really nice size. It's well facilitated, it's eco-friendly. The only thing that disappoints us is the recycling. In fact, the recycling's absolutely blooming shocking. And for such an eco-friendly site, that does really, really, really disappoint me. Bus stops outside, tram stops outside, there's a supermarket just down the road. It's just perfect for us. Goldfish! I'm surprised how many cats is on this site.
But the fish are still there.
Yeah.
There seems to be some sort of antiques, indoor bric-a-brac antiques market,
Yeah.
isn't it?
And this is literally 2 minutes from the site as well, isn't it? Yeah. Right, in we go. A little look round.
Proper, innit?
Yeah, it's massive.
So it's all sorts of mix.
Oh, I like these
Clothes.
horses. Look, they're amazing.
You
Look
do
at
realise
those.
how big our camper van is, don't you? And I think it plugs in, so it's actually not just a horse. It's
Sorry.
a lamp. It's got everything, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll be coming out of here with a whole new wardrobe.
Proper collection.
Yeah, I could buy all sorts in here, Billy.
We only popped it because it was next door to the campsite, but actually it's brilliant, isn't it?
We never expected it to be this good. You could literally kit yourself out with anything you wanted here.
Yeah.
Couldn't you?
So much stuff here. A lot of hardware as well. And
Yeah,
all
yeah.
sorts of stuff,
People, scooter. There was a guy fixing scooters.
Yeah. Sunglasses. And there seems to be live music on because we had a
Yeah.
rock and roll band and there were loads
We're
of
going to
people.
go for a route, aren't we?
Yeah. More than one bar, isn't there?
Yeah, there's loads of bars.
It's a great find, isn't it?
Really, really is. It's a shame we didn't pop in the other day, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So,
Paella, €4.
it's quite a little find, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there must be music every Sunday.
I think so. Yeah.
What's the food like then? Look?
Just usual. It's not expensive. You can get pretty much anything. She looks like she's a working girl.
What you got?
Paella,
How much was it?
€4.
And how good is it?
Lucky lush. Better than that one. That really weren't grating or ruffling. That's lush.
Sausages inside a sauce.
Bloody lovely.
€5.20. It's well worth coming, isn't it? I love it. So you don't get that on the normal Benidorm side, do you?
No, you don't.
You have to catch the bus out or the tram out to near Camping Benisol, and right next door is the market.
Which is called LCC.
Yeah, open Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. And if it's next door on a Saturday or Sunday, possibly Sunday when all the music's on and all the locals are out dancing. It's not for tourists. They haven't put this on for tourists. This is Spanish people out there having a great time dancing.
Not reserved, just having a lovely afternoon out. And yeah, what a cracking afternoon we've had.
Food's cheap.
We had a
Drinks
went to
cheap.
look around the market. I think we've had 3 glasses of wine each, 3 plates of food, and it came to €20. Can't go wrong, can you?
So put it on your list. Get the number 10 buses, so whatever the bus is that comes out to.
Definitely worth coming out here.
Yeah, definitely worth a look out. Yeah.
The bus is only €1.20.
Yeah, we're going home because we've only got shorts on. If we
Right,
had clothes on,
silly
we'd probably
twat.
stay a bit longer.
And flip-flops.
Right, see you in a bit. Bye.
So that was our Twixmas. If you've enjoyed any of it, give us a big thumbs up. And if you've got any ideas of where else we should go, hit us up in the comments. If you're not subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe. It's completely free. Until next time, I'll leave you with a crazy cat lady and her new friend.